Long before satellites, long before secret agencies, medieval kingdoms were already building intelligence systems that today's nations still depend on. In the medieval world, a kingdom survived not by strength, but by information. Every empire built silent networks of scouts, coded messages, traveling merchants, and trained informants who moved across borders without suspicion. This was the birth of organized intelligence. Kings used spies disguised as priests, travelers, and musicians. They blended into villages, watched army movements, and reported back through secret routes. The Mongols built lightning-fast messenger lines called the Yam. The Ottomans created the world's most advanced palace intelligence. And in Europe, even monasteries collected political information. Medieval messages weren't simple letters. They used coded languages, hidden ink, and cipher wheels. Some kingdoms wrote messages in reverse. Some used number codes. Some hid information inside religious texts. Breaking a code could save an entire empire. Before every war, scouts rode days ahead to map forests, rivers, and enemy positions. Generals studied this information to predict attacks and plan ambushes. This was medieval reconnaissance, the ancestor of today's military intelligence. Kings hired informants not with gold, but with protection. Farmers, innkeepers, merchants, caravan guards, all became part of a silent human web that carried intelligence across the land. This was the medieval version of today's civilian intelligence networks. Today's intelligence agencies, MI6, CIA, Mossad, ISI, and more, still rely on the same medieval principles. Human intelligence, code systems, reconnaissance, secret communication, information networks, messenger chains, local informants. Technology changed, but the foundation remained exactly the same. History changes, technology evolves, but intelligence remains eternal. The medieval world built systems that shaped the future of nations and still guide them today. Thanks for exploring the past with us. Subscribe for more medieval wisdom.